Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming carrier support and iOS readiness. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. Live voicemail needs a network. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. If you see a setup button, follow the prompts to create a voicemail password. Do that now. This step enables visual access and prepares the transcription service. You're initiating the feature. Completing setup here is required before live voicemail can be toggled on or used. Now enable live voicemail in Settings. Open Settings, tap Phone, then Live Voicemail and switch it on. You'll be asked to allow microphone access and speech recognition. Grant both so the device can transcribe incoming messages in real time. Next, return to the Voicemail tab to choose a greeting. Use default or record a custom greeting that explains callers may be transcribed. Make sure to save the greeting. This completes configuration and prepares the iPhone to capture and display live transcripts. Finish by testing. Call your number from a different phone and let it go to voicemail. Watch the live transcript appear and listen to the recording after. If you don't see transcriptions, make sure speech recognition and microphone permissions remain enabled, then restart your iPhone. Also verify carrier visual voicemail is active. Sometimes the carrier's voicemail system blocks live voicemail. If problems persist, contact your carrier for voicemail provisioning or Apple support for device-level troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.